Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to convert color images or document elements or to black and white in Microsoft Word. Whether you are preparing document for printing, saving ink, or creating a clean grayscale design, this method will help you do it quickly and professionally. Instead of editing images in external software, you will discover how to use built-in picture format tools and color adjustment option inside Microsoft Word, and you can change the interface or theme in this Word built-in. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment document. We can see here many images and page. At first we make it on picture. Go to the format menu and then select the color. Here grayscale option. We can see we make the picture grayscale. Otherwise you can change the interface of the Word. Go to the file and go to the option, then select the interface or display. Go to the advanced, otherwise you can go to general. We can see here many options. Now I find and select the color. You can go to the file and go to the option, then we can see here the which theme is colorful. You can make dark gray, click OK. We can see we make this black and white. Otherwise you can make it only white, go back again and make it white and click OK. Otherwise you can make the colorable. Now I am select colorful, then click OK. Now we can see we make it very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.